Ruth Shura ibiri.
If you are there, say amen.
Amen.
Ruth chapter 2.
Ruth Shura ibiri.
The book of Ruth.
Ekitabo kya Ruth
chapter 2.
Shura ya kabiri.
Amen and amen.
Amina kandi.
And Naomi had a kinsman. I'm reading from the 1 to the 23. But there are some places I'll be skipping. There are places I'll be skipping. Young man, how are you? You, how are you? Huh? Who is Amos? You are Amos. I'll come to you. Ruth chapter 2.
Ruth Shura ibiri.
Verse number 1. Do you know a school called Kololo? Huh? What did you go there to do? You went there. I will come to you. Amen.
Amen.
Where is that place?
Batwa.
Come. Lift up your hand.
Thank you, Holy Spirit.
I see a strong angel flying in the midst of the people. Whenever that angel is passing, things are going to be carried away. Evil things are going to be carried away. The Lord is changing your financial status. Your financial life is coming to better. Oh my God. God is lifting every burden out of your life.
Let God bless your life. In the name of Jesus.
The world shall hear about you. Grace coming upon you. This grace shall lift you higher. I see you praying for many more people. And they recover. Whatever you are doing now, in terms of the widows, orphans, and those things. Impossible. Put someone in charge now. Because there is a strong power coming upon you. And that power is going to make you so busy
Because
I see that the Spirit of the Lord is going to cause a great revival to you. Now the Spirit of the Lord is telling me you are delaying what He must do. So because of that, put someone in charge. Because I know that you set up something to take care of these orphans and whatever. But God wants to cause fire to God took me to that village I mentioned. That place. God took me to a certain house. When I got to the place, I saw something hidden under a tree. And the Spirit of the Lord told me I should bring that thing out. When I brought that thing out, I saw that a name had been tied. And the name that I saw Dennis tied. Who is that?
Dennis is my brother.
Dennis is your brother.
Dennis is my English.
Biamukama. True man of God.
What is his name?
Biamukama Dennis.
Biamukama Dennis.
Biamukama.
Come on, somebody put your hands together. I said, put your hands together.
Amen.
This man will be a very powerful man. I'm telling you. Because God wants to use him to make many creative miracles. But he's delayed. Do you know you're delayed?
Yes, man of God.
Listen to me. His calling came truly when he was 8 years old. Are you aware? Huh?
I'm aware, man of God.
Come here. Go and find out. There's somebody in your family before the person died. Two things happened. The person had blindness and got stroke before the person died. If you are not aware, go and find out. Go and find out.
That is my mother, man of God.
That is your mother. And I'm going to tell you why. That was your mother. Okay. There was a problem. There was a slight conflict between her and another woman who is also a family member, like an auntie, something. There was a problem. But just that the thing really did not escalate. What many people saw was your mother did not like that woman. Are you here with me? Because there was a spiritual confrontation. There was a spiritual war that broke because of a certain misunderstanding. Why am I saying so? The time you were born
Something supposed to have taken place. But your birth came and broke that thing I'm talking of. Because they had to initiate. I'm talking about spiritual wicked thing that's supposed to have happened. That same period you were born, there was another woman who was also pregnant in the family. And what they wanted to do was to sacrifice that woman to establish every plot they were planning. But the day you were born, the very day your mother gave birth to you, 2 angels were standing back. So they used you. Listen to me, because of the light you came with. Because of the light you came with, every initiation and every plot started. That is why when you were 3 years old, there was occasion of God. Though you were still young, from time to time, angels of God were visiting you. If the angels of God were not visiting, what they planned was to eliminate you. But they couldn't. But I'm losing right now the destiny of Dennis. Is there a place called Ginger? Which from there?
No, I don't know Ginger. No, Ginger.
Who is Joseph?
Joseph, no.
You are the one.
No way.
Lift up your hand. Wherever your destiny is hidden in your village, I lose it right now. Amen.
Amen.
Sir, get ready.
You take a take.
Did you hear me?
What would that?
Get ready.
You take a take.
Mighty things must happen to you. Right here with you. Fast. God is giving you a sight. Lift up your hands. These your eyes must be open. Stand here. Is there anyone by the name Robert?
Robert. Robert.
Are you the one?
Anyway.
Are you sure you are the one?
No, I never with Robert. Because
there is a seat prepared for you to sit on.
I'm
going to put you on that seat. Come.
Okay. Thank you, Holy Spirit.
Touch. Buka. Now. A charge.
You must sit on.
The Lord wants me to put you on that seat. Now. Amen.
Amen.
Watch this woman. I see some people approaching her. And they are trying to persuade her to become a leader in this nation. I see impossible. They were trying, they will come and persuade her so that at least she can become someone important in government. She has a star of leadership. She has a star of leadership. Because it's possible. I see parliamentarian seated. And I saw her. I don't know.